Please welcome Stuart Rowley.
Good evening, everybody. It's a very great pleasure for me to join you. I've been in Europe for the past several months working with the European leadership team to transform our business and to define our vision for Ford in Europe. This future will be very much driven by electrification. And as we said at the start of the event, and as you saw today, we are absolutely ready to go electric, which means exciting yet attainable vehicles electrified for everyone. There's no doubt that exciting times lay ahead for Ford and our entire industry. And I think it's only fitting that we end this event on a high note and give you a glimpse of what's coming next. Today you've seen the new Explorer and the new Cougar, exciting new products that we think our SUV customers are going to love. Now it's time to introduce you to our third SUV that's coming later this year. It will sit between the tough EcoSport and the stylish Cougar in our SUV range. We've gone to great lengths to give customers the flexibility they want with exceptional exterior styling. It's a vehicle which delivers substantial emotion in a compact package. It's innovative and it's very, very stylish. It's going to create even more excitement around the Ford brand. So now, here's a laser quick look at Ford's all-new compact SUV. So ladies and gentlemen, that was your first glimpse of the all-new Ford Puma. Puma, it's an evocative name for a car that allows customers to live a big life in a small space, and it rewards them with a great-looking vehicle. Puma is both clever and practical, with class-leading, uncompromised luggage space of 456 litres, and it drives beautifully as it looks, with a mild hybrid powertrain that delivers up to 155 PS. While we're giving you a small preview of Puma today, we'll be sharing more details in the summer. And tomorrow morning at 8 AM we'll release a special image for you all to share. Together with the all-new Cougar, the Puma makes a very powerful statement about the Ford brand in Europe and what it stands for. 115 years ago, Henry Ford transformed mobility. Today we're undergoing another transformation, one enabled by technology which will help us secure a better future, not just for our customers but for everyone. We're delivering our promise of an attainable electrified option for every single Ford nameplate. And as we said, we're announcing 16 electrified vehicles today, and 8 of them will be on the road by the end of this year. But our future is not just about great new products. It's also about the forward-looking work that we're doing to create a smart new world, all underpinned by the transportation mobility cloud. It's a more sustainable world of lower CO2 and lower congestion, a world of quieter, cleaner, safer streets, and more efficient journeys in smarter cars that are more than ever a great pleasure to drive. By helping to build this world, Ford is creating real value for our stakeholders and above all, our customers.